Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So this is a quick fix. We're going to go over to settings. Now go to connections and click Wi-Fi. Here we're going to tap on this switch right here. We're going to turn it off and turn it on, just like that. And now if it's still not working for you, click on the gear icon on the network that you're supposed to use, click forget, and connect to it again. Here enter the password, and then click connect. As you guys can see, we're connected back to the network. If it's not working for you, then restart the router and the phone. So to restart the router, what you guys need is just turn the switch on the back of the router off and on. And for the phone, you press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Click restart and click again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart of the phone, we're gonna quickly enter the password. Now, the phone is starting, and what we're gonna do next is check for software updates. So, we're gonna open up these settings. Let's wait for the phone to load up. And go over to settings. Now in those settings, swipe down until you guys see software update. Here, you click download and install, and it will automatically check for updates. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of this software. Now, as a last resort here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the general management and then reset. Here in the reset, we're going to reset only the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So we need to actually reset the Bluetooth too, because we need to reset the Wi-Fi. So we will reset all Wi-Fi networks, so we will lose access to every single Wi-Fi unless we enter the password again, and we need to repair every single Bluetooth device again. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.